COVID-19, the biggest menace of this century, bringing the entire world to a halt and mercilessly destroying the world economy. Oil prices have come crashing down, and the E&P industry is in complete turmoil. In this moment of crisis, Sledgehammer emerges as the vanguard with the most viable solution for drilling and cementing companies and completion tools manufacturers. The solution: contract manufacturing. As the world's largest manufacturing facility under a single roof for cementing and completions products, we offer our partners complete in-house manufacturing, giving our partners an extra edge to produce the most economical, high-quality products in a short delivery time. Sledgehammer is aided by a team of 60 highly qualified engineers and a workforce of more than 600 people. To cater to an increased production need for contract manufacturing, Sledgehammer is expanding its manufacturing base even further. We have world-class in-house testing facilities as per API Q1 standards. Your design, combined with our manufacturing capability, would result in the most economical product. This collaboration will help you in reducing your manpower, investment in plant and machinery, material inventory, and rejection losses, making this partnership extremely profitable for you. So, let's collaborate, coexist, and conquer this crisis together.